do?
It's already on.
All right.
Wait, Michael. Wait, do we get milk?
No, just go.
No. All right, let's go.
Oh, they're having those habanero.
Have it at her.
1,
It's too big.
2,
Go.
3.
Big. It's hot?
Is it hot?
Her face is red.
Daddy, swallow it. Don't breathe.
How is it?
It's okay. It's fine. It's fine.
That's fine. Well, finish the other one then.
Give it to the dog.
Yeah. Damn.
It gets hotter, doesn't it? It bites up on you, doesn't it?
Look at that.
It's not done. It keeps getting hotter and hotter.
That was a brick job. Yeah. That's my milk. Bread works too, eh? Bread works better.
Yeah, red bites into it.
Is it Spain? No, it's Spain. Say that. No, it's Spain. Put the butter. You can Spain. Put the butter. Oh, yeah. Put on 3.
Don't make me open it.
These are good.
Yeah, just let it soak in.
Let us know. The oil will go into the bread. Don't chew it. Just sit on your tongue. Never again. Never again.
I told you it was hot. You said, oh yeah, uh-huh.
Never, Holy crap, that's hot. That's what you put in chili.
And that was just one little corner.
Is that what you're making? You're making chili?
No, I'm just making a dip.
Oh.
I just buy the habaneros and I put like, I'll put a little, like half of that in the whole thing, you know? That's fine, but...
Did you try the powder stuff? The powder stuff is pretty nasty.
Oh, I would imagine it is. Okay, I'll turn this off now.
Damn.
The bread's not working?
The bread will help. Keep it in there.